Here are the top 5 methods of earning online money as a kid. 1. Online surveys. Companies are willing to pay for the opinions of individuals, including kids, and encourages them to sign up for online survey websites to complete surveys and earn money. This method is described as an easy way to make some extra cash in one's free time. The segment aims to introduce the idea of online surveys as a simple and accessible way for kids to start earning money online. 2. Freelancing. If a kid has a talent or skill, they can consider freelancing online. Examples of freelancing opportunities, such as graphic design, writing, or social media management, are mentioned. The segment emphasizes that there are plenty of opportunities for kids to offer their services and earn money through freelancing. This method highlights the idea that kids can leverage their skills and talents to make money online. 3. Selling products online. Do you have old toys, clothes, or books lying around? Kids can sell items like old toys, clothes, or books online on platforms such as eBay or Etsy. This method is presented as a way for kids to declutter their belongings while making money at the same time. By showcasing the process of selling products online, the segment aims to introduce kids to the concept of e-commerce and how they can use it to generate income. 4. Creating and selling digital products. If you're creative, consider creating and selling digital products like artwork, printables, or music online. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy allow you to sell your creations to a global audience. This method highlights the opportunity for kids to monetize their creativity and artistic skills by leveraging digital platforms to reach a wider customer base. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money by promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Join affiliate programs and start promoting products that you believe in. So there you have it, the top 5 methods of earning online money as a kid. With a little creativity and hard work, you can start making money online today.